I think it was a Saturday very well spent. I got invited to the institute and I was excited because I like cooking. So I thought I would learn something new. And the theme was cooking for Maharajas. So I not only cooked for Maharajas and then became a Maharani and ate it also. It was the first experience, normally when we are cooking in the North Indian kitchen, so we have so much of garlic and ginger and tomatoes and everything. And we cooked about 11 dishes and it's only one where we made a sauce that we used these ingredients. And I learned how to cook arhar dal in 2 different ways. I'm fond of that dal and I've never cooked it the way it was taught here. Rice, and you talk about baked potatoes, and you talk about fish. Awesome. So everything was in the natural, with the natural flavors. So lovely experience, and I do hope to come again. And I know there's a whole list of workshops, and I'm a little greedy here. I want to come for almost all of them to learn more and more.